The Rainbow Party. Once upon a time, there was a group of animals who lived in the forest. One day they decided to have a party, but they couldn't decide what to wear. So, they went to the wise old owl for advice. The owl said, "Wear the colors of rainbow, and you will all look beautiful." So, the animals decided to wear the colors of rainbow. The lion wore red, the dog wore orange, the sheep wore yellow, the horse wore green, the cat wore blue, the monkey wore violet, and the rabbit wore pink. When they arrived at the party, they looked amazing. Everyone was so impressed with their colorful outfits. They danced and had a great time. After the party, the animals went back to their homes. They were all very happy and grateful to the wise old owl for his advice. The end.
Let's have a party. Let's have a rainbow party. Let's have a party. Let's have a rainbow party. Let's have a party. Let's have a rainbow party. Let's have a party. Let's have a rainbow party.
It's time to play. What did the animals ask the wise old owl for advice about? A. What to eat for dinner. B. What to wear to the party. C. How to build a house. And the answer is B. What to wear to the party. What did the wise old owl suggest the animals wear to the party? A. All black. B. The colors of the rainbow. C. All yellow. And the answer is B. The colors of the rainbow. Which animal wore the color red to the party? A. The rabbit. B. The owl. C. The lion. And the answer is C. The lion. Which animal wore the color blue to the party? A. The cat. B. The horse. C. The lion. And the answer is A. The cat. How did the animals feel after the party? A. Angry. B. Sad. C. Happy. And the answer is C. Happy. Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed this story. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.